Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Deborsi Jana, consultant biostatistician and young scientist. Today we will discuss how to shortlist post-graduation and thesis topics. So let's watch my video.
Today's video is about a crucial aspect of post-graduation and thesis writing, which is topic selection. Choosing the right topic is vital as it sets the foundation for your entire research journey. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to help you shortlist the perfect post-graduation and thesis topics. Understanding your interests. The first step is to explore your interests and passions. Consider the subject areas that genuinely intrigue you. Reflect on the topics that you find intellectually stimulating. Take into account the subjects that you have excelled in during your undergraduate studies. List down these areas and use them as a starting point. Conduct preliminary research. Once you have identified your areas of interest, it's time to dive deeper. Conduct preliminary research on each of these topics. Explore the existing literature, scholarly articles, and recent research papers related to your selected areas. This will provide you with a broader understanding of the current research landscape and help you identify potential research gaps. Consult with professors and mentors. Seeking guidance from experienced professors and mentors is invaluable in this process. Schedule meetings with professors who specialize in your areas of interest. Share your thoughts, ideas, and preliminary research findings with them. They can provide you with valuable insights, suggest additional resources, and help you refine your topic further. Evaluate feasibility and resources. Next, it's essential to evaluate the feasibility of your shortlisted topics. Consider the available resources, including research facilities, equipment, funding, and time constraints. Assess if the chosen topics align with the resources and support available to you. Ensure that you have access to the necessary research materials and data to pursue your chosen topics effectively. Narrow down your options. By this stage, you should have a list of potential topics. It's time to narrow down your options. Evaluate each topic based on criteria such as relevance, significance, novelty, and potential impact. Consider the scope and depth of each topic and weigh them against your strengths and limitations. Ultimately, aim for a topic that aligns with your interests, has ample research opportunities, and contributes to the academic field. Seek feedback. Seeking feedback is crucial to validate your topic choices. Share your shortlisted topics with your peers, classmates, or fellow researchers. Discuss your ideas with them and listen to their perspectives and suggestions. Constructive feedback can help you identify blind spots. Refine your research questions and strengthen your overall approach. Finalize your topic. After considering all the factors and feedback, it's time to finalize your topic. Choose the one that best meets your criteria and aligns with your academic goals and aspirations. Remember, this topic will shape your research journey, so ensure that it is something you are passionate about and willing to dedicate your time and effort to. Congratulations! You have now successfully shortlisted your post-graduation or thesis topic. Remember, this is just the beginning of your research adventure. Stay curious, be persistent, and don't hesitate to seek guidance throughout your academic journey. Like this video and share it with a fellow postgraduate medical or PhD student. And do subscribe to our channel for more such content. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video. We provide full thesis guidance, publication in NMC-approved journal, data analysis and interpretation, and scientific support. If you have any paper or publication-related problems, or if you need any assistance or help with your dissertation and thesis, contact us via email or call us at the given number. Thank you. See you next week with another video.